Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by using Python 3.9 and creating a clean virtualenv for your project. Install dependencies with pip install openpython face recognition dlib numpy to prepare the environment. Choose the hog detector for CPU use or the CNN detector when you have GPU acceleration available. Set a batch size of 32 for efficient GPU inference during encoding and matching. Resize input face chips to 160 x 160 pixels before embedding to standardize inputs. Use a default face distance threshold of 0.6 for initial identity matching. Gather a labeled dataset with roughly 20 images per person for reliable representation. Detect faces, align, and crop each face to 160 x 160 pixels before computing embeddings. Use the face recognition library to compute 128D embeddings for each cropped face image. Aggregate embeddings per identity and save them as NPY files for fast loading at runtime. Optionally, augment images with small rotations, brightness shifts, and horizontal flips to improve robustness. During development, test matching using face distance and a 0.6 threshold for acceptance decisions. For real-time inference, capture webcam frames at 640 x 480 resolution and downscale frames by 0.25 for detection speed. Detect face locations, crop and resize faces to 160 x 160, then compute 128D embeddings for each face. Compare embeddings to stored identities using face distance and accept matches with distance less than or equal to 0.6. Use a separate thread for video capture and another for processing to approach 15 FPS on modest hardware. Log recognized names and timestamps to a CSV file and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.